Vivet, hello and bonjour and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing something very exciting for me. I don't usually go quite this creative with a makeup look. Nonetheless, I am using all the items that I got in my last Glossybox to create this beautiful Twiggy 60s mod inspired look. I reviewed the products in my last video, so if you haven't checked it out yet, please do so. I'll leave the link down below. But of course, since all of those items are not enough to do this, I'll be using a lot of my own. So if you want to see how I got this look and how much I suffered doing it, please keep on watching. Alrighty, Rue. So first things first, I'm going to be washing my face with the Real Chemistry Cleanser. I got this in my Glossybox. As I mentioned in my last review, this actually smells pretty amazing. I really like it. I've used it a couple of times now and it leaves my face feeling super clean and fresh. So if you haven't tried it, I'll recommend it. And just with a damp cloth, I'm going to be taking that off. So next up is another item from my Glossybox. It's the Diamond Eye eye pads, and I'm going to put these on the under eye while I get to work on my upper eyelid. So right away these feel very cool and fresh, and hopefully with the diamond extract my eyes sparkle. So given the nature of this look, I'm going to start off with the eyebrows and do a nice strong brow, and for that I'll be using my Colourpop brow gel in Dope Taupe and an Anastasia Beverly Hills brow brush. Okay, so for the next part, you're gonna have to be very, very careful. Very easy to mess up, and we're gonna be starting with the crease line. So with my eyelids, I don't have too much space between my eyebrow and my crease line, so I have to be very careful to get in the middle of that. But basically, I'll be going from where the thinnest part of my nose is, just a little bit inside the eye, through that middle center part, and ending kind of at the end of my eyebrow. And ultimately, I will be connecting that to my eyeliner in the end. It's gonna take some time, so definitely set aside a good 5 to 10 minutes, or 20, or 30, hopefully not 30. I am going to be starting with a thin flat brush, and I'm just going to be basically doing the outline in a soft brown, blending it out, and then going in with the eyeliner. And for all my colors today, I'm going to be using the So Jaded palette by Colourpop Cosmetics. If you don't have this one, I really do recommend it. It is so versatile, so wearable. I really love this palette. So the reason I like to do this step first before any sort of primer or concealer on the eyes is because it's so much easier to clean up, especially if you make a mistake, or just even tidy out the edges. So for me, for example, I went a little bit thick on the upper top. I'm going to take a reusable cotton bud, dip it into some makeup remover, and just clean up the edges a little bit. So now that that outline is done, that's a tongue twister, I'm gonna just gently go in with a similar brush and buff out the lines a little bit. And as you can see, I've basically cleaned up the top line to have it crisp and then blend it down a little bit for the soft brown. To give that crease a little bit more depth, I'm gonna be going in with a very fine point brush with the shade Jasper. So the next step for me is to define a little bit more and brighten above the line that I just created. So I'll be going in with the shades My Precious and Purr. So next, to do the actual black line on my eye, I'll be going in with the Nyx Epic Ink Liner, and be very, very, very careful. I am so nervous to make a mistake. Okay, and now that I've finally 10 hours later, finish this eyeliner. I'm gonna just go in with the shades Onyx and Stone from the Colourpop palette and just set them a little bit and fill in the little spots where my eyeliner skipped. Okay, phew! Now that that is done, we can all take a collective and continue with the rest of the eyes. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna take my Colourpop No Filter Concealer and I'm gonna place that as a bit of a base onto my eyelids. But what I'm gonna do is be very, very careful. And first of all, not open my eye for a long time while I'm doing this step, but mostly just really avoid going very close to that black line. What I'll do is basically just what the actual eyeball portion of my lid is, cover that, pat it down, and then with a brush, move it up towards that black line, being very careful not to mess it up. Okay, and now that that concealer is in place and where I want to be, I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush with the shade My Precious and just pack it on. Pack it on. Get in there. Okay, and to give a little bit more pizzazz in the inner corner and on the inner third of this eye, I'm gonna go in with the shade Purr. Okay, I'm gonna do the same on the other eye and I'll be right back. For the next step, we'll be going back in with the Epic Ink Liner and just lining the lash line and connecting it to the lowest point of the upper black line. Okay, so now that the upper eyes are done, I'm taking off the patches. These felt super nice while they were on. I don't know if you can see the diamond extract in my under eyes, but they certainly felt pretty bum. So before I finish off the eyes and the lower lash line, I am gonna do my foundation. And what I'm using today is the Kiko Milano Unexpected Paradise Waterproof Foundation. Oh my god, I can't, I've said it before, this smells like coconut and I'm obsessed. Next, I'll be setting that with the Kiko Unexpected Paradise Powder Foundation. We're matching today. Next, a crucial step in getting this eye look, I'll be drawing on 10 lashes on my lower lash line. Gosh, the precision and the concentration for this look, it is time consuming, so if you got 20 minutes, girl, don't do it. Okay, so next step, I'm gonna be using the Pure Beauty Rose Gold Lash Curler that was in my Glossybox to curl all my lashes before the mascara, and then once I put on the false lashes, I'll do it once again. For mascara, I'll be using the Manna Kadar Bloom Mascara that was also in my Glossybox. Really coming together. I am so pleased with this. I've never really done anything quite so accurate. So, you know, it's... Ooh! I love it. Do you love it? Next, to give a little bit more pizzazz to the eyes, I'm going to be putting on some lash clusters on the outer edges, top and bottom. These are just from Primark. I honestly don't remember the brand or the name. Sorry. I'm feeling this look, let me tell you. Next, I'll be going in with the shade Shadow of the Earth from the Unexpected Paradise Kiko collection, my new favorite blush. Oh, beautiful. And I'm also going to be going in quite strong. I want to give that, like, warmed up, glowy, contoury look. As I love to do, I'm going to hit up the nose area too. I'm I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite highlighters right now, and it is the shade Coronation from the Disney Colourpop collection. Oh. Oh my god. It's too beautiful. I'm gonna cry. Of course, we're gonna hit up the nose and the Cupid's bow, because why on earth would you not? And lastly, we're gonna go on to the final stage of this look, which are of course the lips. So I'll be going for quite a warm, pinkish, girly look, and I'm gonna be lining my lips with Colourpop's Oh Snap. For the actual lip color, I'll be going in with MAC's Powder Kiss lipstick in the shade Sultriness. As per usual, my tappity tap tap. And then the beautiful and beloved by me, Venus Le Riot lip gloss from Haus Laboratories. Okay, so that completes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Maybe leave a comment down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I am a new and growing channel, so it would mean a lot to me. Other than that, you can catch me on social media at SLAVIC CHIC, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!